Hey guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the bulk actions options that we have here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to create website pages. Now I'm going to go to drafts. I want to delete all the pages that I have here on draft except for photo gallery. So I'm going to click on the checkbox and then uncheck photo gallery. I'm going to go to where it says bulk actions, and then you click on the arrow and you can either move them to trash or edit them. So I'm just going to move it to trash and I'm going to click apply. Then as you can see here, it says trash, and again I'm going to do the same thing. So you can restore the pages or you can delete permanently. For now I'm just going to delete permanently and then click apply. So as you can see, everything was deleted and there's only one page that's in the draft. So there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.